Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, are you looking for a newer home with $1 million view at a fraction of the price in a gated community? Do I have your attention? Well, friends, if I do, I invite you to come take a look at this gorgeous home tour, as this afternoon, we're back at it again here in Horseshoe Cove, one of my favorite resorts here in all of Bradenton, Florida. Now, friends, this community is a gated 55 and older park that is pet friendly with $1 million views everywhere you look and so many social functions. It's an absolute gem of a place to call home. Now, this particular home is located at 5100 60th Street East, Lot 022 here in sunny, beautiful Bradenton. And boy, oh boy, does this home have all of the updates that you're looking for. So friends, if you're looking for $1 million view in a lower price home, then I invite you to come take a look at this beautiful home. And, well, you think they can hear us? Turn up the TV nice and loud, grab your snacks, and let's go see if we can find Uncle Harry. And come with me to come take a look at this gorgeous waterfront oasis here in Bradenton, Florida. I'll tell you what, friends, if you've never been to Horseshoe Cove here in sunny, beautiful Bradenton, Florida, the next time you're in the area, make sure you stop on by. This park is full of $1 million views. Everywhere you look, tons of fun things to do, and an amazing pool and social center. Now, what we're going to do here on this virtual tour is we'll take a quick walk around the outside. We're going to jump in the inside, and yes, towards the end of the video, we'll finish up with the numbers section. So, with all that out of the way, if you're ready, I'm ready. And welcome to the virtual tour of this beautiful home, located at 5100 60th Street East, lot number 022 here in sunny, beautiful Bradenton, Florida. Now, friends, before we get walking in talking, let's get an idea of exactly where we're located at here in the park. If I come on down here, about 50 yards up on the right, you're going to see a speed limit sign off of Cedar Street. I'm going to take a quick left, and that's going to wrap us back around to the front of the gated entrance to the community, as well as your gorgeous pool. If I come on back here, it's going to wrap around in the back horseshoe of Horseshoe Cove, and that's eventually going to take us back around to the front of the community as well. So lot 022 is on the rear horseshoe, direct waterfront, as you saw in the intro of the video, and has been totally updated with well over $50,000 in upgrades that I cannot wait to show you. So, if you're ready, I'm ready, and let's go and take a look at this beautifully remodeled waterfront home here in beautiful Bradenton, Florida. Now, as we come up to the home site, okay, we have a massive driveway, one of the biggest ones in the entire community. A tall carport. They did a neat job here, adding some additional storage areas up here. So you see they got some outdoor stuff, some other items to collect up there. But what I really want to showcase is the amount of additional storage this home has. Number one. Number two, I want to showcase in the fact that this is a very, very tall carport for this house. So if you have a truck or a trailer, you're going to have plenty of space. There are so many places we got to showcase here. I'm just going to jump right back to the back of the home, focus on our new mini split that was just recently put in. And let's just take a look at that gorgeous view here to start things off. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at that pagoda here in a second, but as on the walk around, I just wanted to showcase this side here before we go on out to the back of the home on the other entrance. Now, this 1984 home has had so many things updated. Okay, for starters, we got the full vinyl wrap that was just recently put in. All right, so if you got your cash register at home, make sure we start digging this up. So you get your full vinyl wrap all the way around. I got a brand new deck here with Trex decking. I got all new windows throughout the entire home. That's thousands upon thousands of dollars. All these beautiful lighting fixtures. As you see on this side here, the vinyl wrap continues on. Huge central AC unit. Put in a few years ago. Gutters all the way around. Now, another thing I want to highlight here is the owners did put in all these sea oats in the landscaping. Okay, so those were all put in by the current owners. That beautiful deck was put in as well. This will give you a side shot, taking you directly out to your private dock. So if you want waterfront at a fraction of the price, you want to take a long look at this home, you're gonna be shocked at the price that this home's coming to market at here in the number section later on. So make sure you stay tuned on this video until we get there. Now, a lot of things have been updated on the home, and it looks like a Restoration Hardware showroom inside. So if you're ready for something, you want to make sure you take a look on the inside. This is amazing, an amazing house. All the work was done by a master carpenter, but unfortunately, a lot of times when people update these homes, it's not a master carpenter, it's Uncle Harry and his beat up Chevy. And that can cause you a huge problem. And I don't want that to be you, because bad repairs can immediately tank a good deal. That's one of the biggest mistakes I see in this industry. I don't want you to run into that issue. So we put together a free checklist that you can download today at themobilehomeschool.com. Next time you take a look at that and purchase your next home, it'll save you thousands. Look at that front door. Holy smokes. Let's do the knock test. Is that real glass? Yep, that's real glass. Beautiful. We've never seen a front door side-by-side setup like this in the entire channel's history. And friends, this is just the start of this house. Let us know in the comments below what your initial impression is of this beautifully taken care of home in Bradenton, Florida. Man, so many things to talk about. It's hard to decide where we're going to start. Wow. For starters, let's jump in. We do have all new flooring all the way throughout, subflooring and overflooring, the luxury plank here, and then we transition to a gorgeous tile there in the back room. That's the first thing. Notice all of the lighting fixtures have been professionally installed and redone in the entire home. They went and put all of this accent board, as you see, throughout the entire house. That was recently put in as well. Let's go ahead and take 2 stairs up into the kitchen. Take a look at this. Now, as you can see, folks are living here as we speak. Here's the good news. Just about everything you see in this video is staying with the home. So if you want the full Restoration Hardware, beautiful setup that we have going on here, with the exception of personal items, it's coming with the house. Okay, so we've got a updated refrigerator put in about a year or so ago. We have a separate freezer. If you need one, that's going to come with the home as well. All these appliances are functional, coming with the home. Love this farmer sink. The prettiest sinks we have ever seen on the channel. Of course, we got the butcher block countertops that were recently done, as well as the cabinetry all the way around. They thought about everything here. They've been redoing all of the cabinet hardware and coming on down. The pantry, good size. This home has more space than I have ever seen in a home of this size. When we open up the secondary bathroom here, yes, that's right. This home has 2, not 1, but 2 full baths. Updated toilet. We do have our shower stall with real glass put in there. Updated cabinetry and vanity there as well. So I roll in here to the back bath. Yes, that's right, the second bath. Additional cabinetry, full toilet, updated shower stall, or tub shower combo, excuse me, updated vanity, and then take a look at this, guys. As I peel around, full size washer and dryer, functional. Both are staying with the home with additional cabinetry. Absolutely gorgeous. As I come on down the quick stair, we're going to wind up in a massive bedroom set right in the middle. Now, this is coming in directly from our front door. So if you recall correctly, we came in there with those gorgeous brand new doors put in. We got, for privacy, our 2 barn doors side by side, wrapping around here. So they did it on a unique remodel, is they wanted to make a master bedroom right in the middle of the home, just to be absolutely massive, live up to the name. And they definitely did that. Okay, so we have the king bed here, adjustable bed with all of this great furniture. Again, a lot of the stuff is staying with the home. But this home just keeps on getting better and better. Take a look at this, guys. They put a custom concrete stair in here. This isn't some janky stair. No, it's nice and smooth to transition to the back part. There's going to be our side door. Of course, that's going to take us back out to the carport that we saw in the intro. And they transition to a real tile down here on the flooring. I know it looks like old wood. It's actually tile. That was laid down recently as well. Gorgeous wraparound couch. And the hits keep on coming. We have another closet here. And then we have a shed that can easily keep as a shed, or it could be converted another way, however you see fit. Now all the tools are leaving, but the cabinetry will stay. Now they have it set up with some custom built-ins here for additional storage, and then their large TV stand. You could obviously move that back and eke out a couple additional square feet, whatever you see fit. But the ceiling back here is absolutely massive. Now there's going to be where our mini split is on the far wall. That was put in just about a year or so ago. But the room is huge. I hope this video does it justice with how large this couch is, and that will be staying with the home, just to give you an exact idea of just how big this back room is. So we open up our newer sliders. We pop on open here. Take a look at all this, guys. Over $14,000 were put in to the decking and the built-in, as well as running the power out here. When they ran the power out here, they put in a new electrical box. Okay, so that professionally installed as well for the entire home. All of this furniture, you got the TV in the corner there. Let's get a little closer to that beautiful water view. Just take this in every morning, every evening. That is your own personal paradise. My, oh my, that's hard to beat. I know usually I walk through the house doing the wrap up, but you know what? This view is so gorgeous. Let's just go ahead and tell you why I am definitely going to put this beautiful home on my short list. Number one, we have a very motivated seller. The price of this home is going to surprise you, and even I'll give you a spoiler alert, they're taking offers. They really need to get this home down the road, and they are very motivated to get sold. Number two, I'm going to talk about all of the high dollar features. Like I said, we have over 14 grand, and while we're standing out here, we have all new plumbing throughout the entire house, all updated appliances, a new electrical panel, and all the new windows, new flooring, so much more. Okay, so you have basically a brand new home with a 1984 exterior. Let's talk about all the new doors throughout the entire home. Those beautiful doors in the front entry that were custom built for this home, and all of the high-end furniture is staying with the property. So we tie that all in a resort-style gated community. It's going to be absolutely hard to beat the price of this home compared to any other property on the market today. In fact, when we talk about the numbers, you're going to be shocked at the price that this home is coming to market at. Hey friends, welcome back. Look who decided to join me, Mr. Daniel Lindavera. How are you, sir?
Doing great. Look at this view.
Man, this is absolutely fantastic. It's 100% breathtaking. Now, Dan, thank you so much for allowing us to come take a look at this beautiful home. As you know, the viewers on the channel always want to know prices. Let's talk about price of home. With everything that's included in this house that you saw on the virtual tour, how much is the price of this beautiful property?
Mark, we are coming in lean. Majority of these houses on this whole line here along the water has sold for well over 100,000, Mark.
Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact. So were we looking at, what, 100 grand?
Nope.
If you haven't yet done so, I want to personally invite you to come join the Mobile Home Dealer YouTube community by smashing that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime, and I look forward to seeing you a part of the community.
We are at 94.9 and we are accepting offers at this time. We just talked to the seller right now. They are motivated, ladies and gentlemen.
94.9 for this beautiful $1 million view and everything you saw in the gorgeous home tour. Now, Dan, people are always going to talk about, yeah, it's a lower priced home on the water, but the lot rent is going to be brutal. Are we what, 15, 1600 a month?
Not even close. Just over 1,000, Mark.
Just over $1,000. And what does that include? The amenities? Does it include trash? What else?
Yeah, so you're going to have all the amenities of the park. You're going to have access to this river here that goes out to the Manatee River. So if you are a boater, you got a jet ski, a small boat, something like that, right from your backyard, go out, take a tour, get some barbecue, have some nice and high-end restaurants, more of the downtown area. Also, you got a huge pool in here as well, and an upgraded clubhouse as well.
Wow. So we're talking about definite waterfront lifestyle here right outside of local area beaches. Friends, this home is going to move very, very quickly at this price. We honestly believe that. If this is of interest for you or somebody that you know, we're going to go ahead and put Daniel's contact here on the bottom of the screen. Give Mr. Lindavera a call. Send him a text and let him know that you're interested in the home located at 5100 60th Street East, lot number 022 here in sunny, beautiful Bradenton. And Mr. Daniel will be more than happy to help answer all of your questions. But hey, real quick before you go, another home is going to pop up here in the corner of another one of Daniel's listings. Take a look at that one and let us know what you think of that listing as well. Well, friends, that wraps up our time. It's going to be hard to leave this beautiful waterfront sanctuary. As always, my name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer, and we'll see you all on the next one.